Greetings everyone. Dokusi Mabanja is my name. I stay in Jinga village, Ward 3, Chimanimani district, under Chief Mtambara Manicaland province. I would like to share my story about water harvesting. Since 2019, I had less knowledge about benefits of water harvesting, and I used to let the rainwater flow and pass from my rooftops, then flows towards the river, to Save River, then it took to Limpopo, then to the sea. I never benefited anything. I am a farmer who rears animals such as goats, chickens, and grows small grains, but nothing benefited from not harvesting the rainwater that I was doing. In the same year, 2019, when I received trainings from Porit, I started to construct gabions, reclaiming gullies that was formed nearby my homestead. I now benefit from the water harvesting techniques I constructed. Rainwater no longer flows out fast towards the river. Instead, it sinks down. I managed to harvest water from Ruwari, a bare rock near my homestead, and it is making water table to rise in boreholes, and domestic animals like ducks, chicken, birds, pigeons, snakes, are often seen in water areas. Through the water harvesting we did, we even saw frogs along the gullies. Thank you.